Now before we begin this video, if you don't have time, then you can jump in the description section below. You can have the list of best lenses for the Fuji X-T100 camera. Now do subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like our content. Now let's talk about the best lenses for the Fuji X-T100 camera. The Fuji X-T100 camera is of course one of the best entry-level mirrorless camera present in the market. It can also do 4K video, it has a blazing fast autofocusing speed, hybrid autofocusing and all that. So being an entry-level photographer, if you need a new camera in your hands, then of course the Fuji X-T100 camera is one of the best options available in the market right now. In this video, I am going to discuss about the best lenses available for the Fuji X-T100 camera. Which lenses should you buy with the X-T100 camera? As we all know, the Fuji X-T100 camera is already paired up with the 15 to 45mm lens and also a body only option, but the 15 to 45mm lens is only available at $100 extra cost. So yes, you should get the camera with the kit lens because the 15 to 45mm lens is one of the best kit lenses available for the Fuji X series camera. Now if you want to have a manual focus option with the kit lens, then you should go with the 16 to 50mm lens. But my recommendation is, if you are a beginner and if you do video as well as still, then you should go with the 15 to 45mm lens coming with the Fuji X-T100 camera. Now let's discuss the other set of lenses you must have with the camera. Now let's talk about the best zoom lens for the Fuji X-T100 camera, and in my recommendation, you should get the 50 to 230mm OIS II lens. The lens features very good optics. Despite of its affordable price or plasticky build, the images you are getting from the lens is really sharp. It do have limited aperture range, but the lens is really nice if you are looking for affordable zoom lens inside the Fuji X lineup of lenses. Now the another great thing about this lens, the lens features a stepping autofocus motor. So the autofocusing is almost silent and fast. So the Fuji 50 to 230mm lens is highly recommended for video as well as for still purpose. It is one of the best zoom lens available for entry-level mirrorless camera in Fuji lineup. Now let's talk about the best portrait lens for the Fuji X-T100 camera. The Fuji 35mmF2 WR lens is one of the best lens available for portrait photography. The lens features very high grade optics. It is one of the most affordable lens if you are going to compare the price of the other Fuji prime lenses available for X series camera. So the 35mmF2 lens is one of the best option for the X-T100 camera if you are interested in portrait shooting. Now let's talk about the best wide angle prime lens for the Fuji X-T100 camera, and of course the 18mmF2 lens is one of the best pancake lightweight lens available for the X-T100 camera. The lens is bit affordable. At the same time, this lens make possible shooting in very dark light environment. So this is of course one of the best option if you want to shoot at dark light situation. If you want to shoot indoors with a wide angle range, then the kit lens will not going to help you a lot. You must have the 18mmF2 lens with you. Now 18mmF2 lens is highly recommended if you are interested in getting wide angle shots at low light environments. So this is one of the best wide angle prime lens available for your X-T100 camera. So this was my set of recommendation today. I am going to put all in the description box below. Now if you have any questions related to the lenses of the Fuji X-T100 camera, you can ask us in the comment section below. I am going to see you very soon in one of my next videos. Thank you for watching this video.